It's Friday, traders, so lock in those profits and don't give them back to the market. Fridays can get wild sometimes, and today we have retail sales before the open and industrial production later, so expect a little bit of volatility. Now, after PPI, we've got value shifting higher, a weekly breakout, and price pushing into December's failed breakout zone. Are buyers strong enough to hold this? Let's dive in. So as always, we start at the 10-day volume profile for a bird's eye view. We see a slight shift upwards in value, but price is still within this previous range with a value area high of 6,102 and a value area low at 6,053. Our POC remains unchanged at 6,088. Now we do spot this small breakout and price is trying to get past this 6,132 level of December's breakout range right here. So we can conclude that buyers are in control, looking for these higher levels to break and hold. Looking at the weekly chart, we've broken out of the previous value area and the last 2 weeks value area highs, officially ending the one time framing down. So let us remove this one. So all eyes are on this 6,120 low volume node. Can buyers start holding this as a base, or do we fade back into this previous value? Switching to our 2-hour delta chart, we see that buyers are holding strong, but they are facing some resistance right here. Globex yesterday attempted to push lower, but buyers stepped in at this 60.65 level, holding price above the 6,070 level after PPI. The single prints from last week were filled, and the 6,106 level perfectly reclaimed. So we see that sellers started pushing back right here, making this nice little volume inside the single print area, and a pushback from buyers around our 6088 level, pushing us past these highs at 6,123. Now Globex is continuing higher, but was unable to break January the first high at 6,147.75. The New York TPO chart shows us a clean open test drive into yesterday's POC, forming a double distribution zone with 2 single print areas. Firstly, we have the single print area from 6,114 to 6,119, and second we have the single print area from 6,122 to 6,126, which we can actually see as one big single print area. Reclaims of these zones could also push prices higher. So let's close today's summary with looking at the 1-hour chart. We can see how this reclaim of 6070 right here fueled the spark to the upside, taking out these previous highs and the single print area above, but forming 2 new single print areas, entering December's value area, which is these 2 yellow lines. Our strike prices are also moving up with a high at 6,120, matching the January 21st high at 6,162, and a low at 5,920 is inside the New York gap from January 15. Now please keep in mind that we tested this 6,132 POC level 3 times in a row. Will today be the day it will finally break? So for a game plan, my line in the sand will be this 6,132, which is a failed breakout POC of December. Holding above this level, longs will start at this ledge 6,138, targeting the previous high of 6,174, the failed breakout high at 6,155, and last but not least 6,160 strike price high. As for a bearish plan, holding below the 6,132, shorts will open at 6,126, which is our single print reclaim zone, and we can target 6,114, which is the singles low area, into 6,102, which is back into the value area. With sustained selling pressure, we can easily try to target this 6088 POC once more. Think about Friday's volatility, guys. Do not force trade. Take profits early if needed. So once again, it's Friday. We had a very strong bullish momentum, but also some key resistance ahead. We have some upcoming news that could shake things up, so watch out for fake outs, especially around the 6,132 level. Don't give back your weekly profits, just take what the market gives you. This daily game plan drops every day before open, so subscribe, hit that notification bell and stay ahead. And as always, trade smart, manage risk, and remember, if you're not staying on top of the market will stay on top of you.